Welcome back to the Declarative Academy. Today, we're exploring the Platform App Builder Certification Maintenance, Winter 24. Salesforce certification maintenance is essential for staying up to date with the latest platform innovations with each seasonal release. We will discuss how to save time and boost productivity using mass quick actions on related lists in Salesforce. Plus, we'll walk through how to set security options like passwords and expiration dates on public file links. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. By the end of this unit, you'll be able to save precious time with mass quick actions and secure your Salesforce files using passwords or expiration dates. Let's start with mass quick actions on related lists. Imagine empowering your users to create or update related records without leaving the page. With quick actions, users can now perform mass updates on up to 100 related records simultaneously. Quick actions are supported in Lightning Experience and apply to most Salesforce editions. In the Winter 24 release, you can configure Create a Record and Update a Record quick actions. To add quick actions from the Lightning App Builder, follow these steps. Add or select the dynamic related list. Single component on the record page. In the Properties pane, enable the Show List View Action Bar option. Click Add Action to configure your quick actions. You can also add quick actions using the Page Layout Editor. Go to the Object Manager for the parent object and open the page layout. Double-click the related list properties. Expand the button section and choose your quick actions. Set the related list type to Enhanced List in the Lightning App Builder. This way, users can quickly apply actions to selected records without leaving the page, streamlining data entry and updates. Next up, setting a password or expiration date for public links to Salesforce files. In Lightning Experience, you can set an expiration date for links, which defaults to 30 days, and protect access with a password. When you create a public link, the Settings dialog will display your defaults. Expiration date set to 30 days by default. Password protection options either enabled or disabled based on your preferences. To configure these defaults, go to Setup and search for Salesforce files. From there, select Content Deliveries and Public Links and choose your desired password settings. Keep in mind, enabling password protection enhances file security, and you can customize this setting to meet your organization's requirements. Let's walk through each step of the hands-on challenge to create a mass quick action that updates the status of cases related to a specific contact. Follow along in your brand new Trailhead playground. Make sure you're using a brand new Trailhead playground. Using an existing org can sometimes cause issues with completing the challenge successfully. Once you're in your playground, click the gear icon at the top right and select Setup. In the Setup menu, go to the Quick Find search bar and type in Object Manager. Click on Object Manager when it appears. Part 1. Create a new quick action in the case object. In Object Manager, search for case and click on it. Now, on the left sidebar, scroll down until you see buttons, links, and actions. Click on that, and then on the right side, select New Action. Part 2. Configure the quick action. Here's where we configure our quick action. Follow along closely. Action type. Choose Update a Record from the drop-down menu. Standard label. Type. Select Change Status. Action name. Enter Update Status. Success. Message. Type in Status updated successfully. To save time, copy and paste the action name and success message directly from the module instructions. Once everything's filled out, click Save. Part 3. Add quick action to the contacted layout. Now, we need to add our quick action to the contact layout. Go back to Object Manager and search for Contact. Click on the Contact object and select Page Layouts from the sidebar. Then click on Contact Layout. Part 4. Edit the case-related list in the contact layout. Once in the Page Layout editor, scroll down to the Related List section. Find the case-related list and click the wrench icon next to it. This opens the settings for the related list. Part 5. Add the quick action to the related list. In the Settings menu, go to the Buttons tab. You'll see a plus icon next to the available actions. Click on the plus icon, select Change Status, and then click Add. Once it's added, click OK, and then click Save in the Page Layout editor. Part 6. Test your quick action. Alright, let's test it out. Head to the App Launcher and search for Contacts. Click on the All Contacts list view and find the contact named Stella Pavlova. Click on her record and scroll down to the case-related list. Part 7. Use the Mass Quick Action. In the case-related list, select multiple cases using the checkboxes on the left. Click on Change Status in the action bar. A dialog will open where you can set the status to Closed. Once selected, click Save and then confirm by clicking OK. And that's it. You've successfully configured and tested a Mass Quick Action to update case statuses. Once you're done, head back to the Trailhead module and click Check Challenge to complete this unit. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the Declarative Academy for more Salesforce tips and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video, and until then, keep blazing those trails. Bye for now.